Hey guys, Gracie here. Today I'm going to talk all about the fun of growing and harvesting microgreens and sprouts. There really is nothing like growing your own food at home. Winter is the perfect time to start seeds indoors, as well as grow bountiful microgreens and tasty sprouts. If you're not familiar, microgreens and sprouts are trending everywhere. You'll see them on cooking shows and recipes at restaurants and more. These powerful little greens are full of amazing nutrients and health benefits, so it's no wonder everyone is digging in. The best part is, you can grow these very inexpensively at home, and English Gardens has everything you need to get started. Microgreens are young leafy vegetables or herbs that are harvested just above the soil when the plant is about 1 to 2 inches tall. Most are ready to harvest in about 1 to 4 weeks. Like I mentioned, they contain a high nutritional value, and there are endless options for what you can grow. Well, at English Gardens, I picked up some delicious botanical interest varieties, including baby greens, mellow greens, arugula, and cilantro. I planted my microgreens at the end of January, and I'm still waiting for my results. These take a little more time, so patience is key. Mine are just beginning to emerge, so they are on their way. Getting microgreens started is easy, and you'll just need a few things. I picked up this flat growing tray and dome cover, and some Espoma organic seed starting soil, and my chosen variety of seeds. You'll also need a direct light source, sunlight or a grow light, and a mister is always good. I had both of these items at home, but English Gardens has many options available for you. The first step is to place a layer of moistened soil in the tray, about 1.5 to 2 inches deep. Stir this around to aerate it until it's light and fluffy. Next, sow your seeds according to the packet's variety, depth, and spacing requirements. I will say a small amount goes a long way. Most of these seed packets are created to fill multiple trays, so keep that in mind. And that's it. Place the clear plastic dome cover over the tray to keep humidity and moisture levels consistent. And now the waiting game begins. A few care tips for microgreens. Be sure to keep your tray on a sunny sill or under a grow light. Microgreens prefer a temperature of 65 to 75 degrees. I'm keeping mine in a room with a light source that stays on during the day, and at night I give them a rest from the light. Water the soil with the mister as needed to keep it moist. And once you see the sprouts beginning to emerge, you can remove the dome for further growing. And your greens will be ready to harvest in 1 to 4 weeks. Be sure to store them in a sealed container to add to your next delicious dish. Next up, sprouts. Sprouts are essentially young shoots from seeds, beans, and grasses that are not grown in any soil. Every part of the sprout can be eaten, the seed, the root, and the stem. These are great because they are ready to enjoy within 2 to 10 days, so we love that almost instant gratification. Sprouts are full of antioxidants, and there are so many varieties to choose from. Plus, they're really easy to grow and require minimal supplies. My recommended growing technique is using this Botanical interest seed sprouter, which I picked up at English Gardens. It includes everything you need: 2 stackable growing trays and dividers, a water diffusing lid, and the drain base that it sits on. And also included is this instructional booklet, which was super helpful. The steps were really easy to follow, and it gave me all the information I needed about how many of each type of seed to use. So I grabbed some of my favorite sprout varieties, including alfalfa, broccoli, sandwich mix, and salad mix. The first step is to soak your specified seed amount for around 10 to 12 hours. This helps to prep the seed and allows for faster germination. I used 4 separate bowls for each variety, and I labeled them so I would remember who is who. My advice is to start soaking overnight, and they'll be done in the morning. In the morning, start by draining your seeds and get rid of all the excess water. Be sure all parts of the seed sprouting tray are washed with warm, soapy water beforehand. And then transfer each variety to a section of your tray in a flat layer. I use the dividers here to create 4 sections. That's it. Place your tray in a warm area, ideally 70 degrees, and out of direct sunlight. And now consistent watering is key for sprouts. twice a day to be exact. There are a few methods for watering, but the easiest way I found was to pick up both of the stacked trays with the diffusing lid and simply hold under the faucet, letting approximately 6 cups of water soak through. Then return the trays to the drain base. Your sprouts will be ready to enjoy in around 2 to 10 days. Be sure to give the sprouts a final rinse when they're taken out of the tray and let the excess water drain off. Store in an airtight container with a paper towel to ensure maximum freshness. These are the perfect crunchy addition to any salad or sandwich. English Gardens has everything you need to grow your own microgreens and sprouts. Stop into any store to get started today and enjoy all the benefits of having these nutritional and tasty greens right at your fingertips. Stay tuned for more episodes of Let's Grow. Happy sprouting! Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more ways to make your life beautiful.